This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Jeera Mojito. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, and a pinch of black salt. Also, have ready 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 1 tablespoon of sugar syrup, and chilled soda water. Don't forget plenty of ice cubes and a few lime slices for that perfect garnish. Now, let's get those flavors mingling. In a sturdy glass, gently muddle your fresh mint leaves with 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice and 1 tablespoon of sugar syrup. Be careful not to overmuddle the mint. Next, add 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder and a pinch of black salt. Give it a good stir to ensure all the spices are well incorporated with the liquids. It's time to assemble your refreshing Jeera Mojito. Fill your glass generously with ice cubes almost to the top. This ensures your drink stays perfectly chilled. Then, slowly pour in the chilled soda water, filling the rest of the glass. Give it a final gentle stir. For that perfect finish, garnish your mojito with a fresh lime slice and a vibrant mint sprig. Enjoy your homemade drink. Your delicious Jeera Mojito is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately to experience its full, refreshing flavor. This recipe is designed for one serving, but it's incredibly easy to scale up if you're making drinks for a party or more guests. Just multiply the ingredients as needed. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Cheers to your perfect homemade beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.